Hey YouTubers, 40 plussers, greetings, salutations. If you're lost in the interwebs, tell me how you found me down there. So, we are doing the Ipsy February Much Love unbagging, boxing, reveal of what I received. And I am not hating on this bag. Up where I am, Syracuse University is very dominant, so these are SU colors. My partner is an alum from SU. In fact, was the photo editor of the Daily Orange. So, hi honey. This is perfect for me. I mean, perfect. Alright, so, Ipsy. February 2017. From Biobelle, 2 of their botanic fiber sheet masks. We have the Wild Rose with Vit C, which is for brightening, and we have the almond oil, sweet almond oil, and vitamin E, which obviously is for hydration. So this almond oil is tagged Stay Gorgeous, and the Rose and Vit C is I Woke Up Like This. I also have the ice cream cone version of this, which I got in some subscription box in the last 60 days, so I may have used it and gotten another one. I don't know. So these go in my masking stash, which is substantial, but actually I'm due for a mask today. Maybe while my hair dye is setting, I'll put on a face mask before I jump in the shower and wash it off. Alright, so 2 sheet masks. Score. Bag paid for itself, in my opinion. Luxie Beauty. I love their brushes. This is the 514 blush brush. It is long, not too dense, flattened, domed blush brush, no angle. Had a random hair. So this is the 514. I didn't have this one already, so I'm glad that I opted not to purchase this in the last set. So that's awesome. Yay. Thank you, Luxie and Ipsy. And let's see, next 3 things in the bag. I wonder if this glow is bright enough to show up in the bottom of my bag. My purse. We'll find out. Alright, so this is Seraphine Botanicals Luminude. It is a skin illuminator liquid made in China. No, formulated in Italy, packaging made in China. And Seraphine Botanicals is a UK company. So I don't know what that all means. It's not tested on animals, so it's not sold in the Chinese market. Gluten-free, vegan, and GMO-free. No mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, gluten, and it is supposedly hypoallergenic. This is an evening primrose oil skin illuminizer with a brilliant glow. So this is a tinted oil-based product. It says water-based skin illuminator. So why did they say evening primrose oil? I guess the other 20-some% must be evening primrose oil. Alright, let's see. Water, glycerin, polyacrylic acid, don't know what that is, evening primrose oil, other things that I don't care about. Okay. So it's not liquidy. Alright. It is a golden bronze color. You can see bits of glitter and mica. This is a warm cheek product. A hint of floral, not too bad. It basically rubbed away on my hand for just a subtle sheer hint. I would add this to some foundation maybe. It might be total crap. Sorry, Seraphine. But, I mean, it wiped away. Completely wiped away. There's nothing there. Let's do a re-application. Just... Okay, so we add a bunch more. 3 times, 4 times as much. That's what it looks like there. Okay, this much is not wiping away. It's a really warm, high sheen, sticky, sets. It does set. It doesn't stay oily. And it's cooling because there's stuff evaporating. What a mess. Alright. I'm not thrilled by that. Maybe I will mix it in some moisturizer and put it on my décolleté. I'm going to dance/concert event this weekend, so maybe I should do that. Show off the girls. Alright, Trust Fund Beauty. It is a brand that I like. It is not 5 free, not 7 free, not 3 free. This is 10 free. No shizzle. I'll let you zoom in and read it. I'm not going to read all those words. They have beautiful shades on their website. I almost caved last month, but then I went with the OPI holiday set and basically got a year's worth of nail polish in one product. This is the shade $12 Latte, and it is a charcoal brown with just a hint of purple underneath. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Let's see. Yeah. I'll give you a quick nail swatch so you can see it. My nails are not prepped because I'm dyeing my hair, so there was no point. There. So it is a charcoal brown. It's going to have a high shine finish. It's not matte. Pretty. Actually, that would be kind of subdued with a matte top coat over the top of that. That might actually even look good with one of my interview outfits. I've got a leather blazer that I use for some interviews if they're edgier. Ralph Lauren, of course. If you don't know my style, I wear Ralph Lauren for work. Period. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty. I'm digging that. Alright, NYX Butter Lipstick. I am not a fan of these, typically. The shade is Ripe Berry. If you're wondering, I was able to just wipe this off the back of my hand. No glitter remained behind. So, slight fragrance in the NYX Butter Lipsticks. I don't remember if they're sweet or not. And this is a sheer buildable berry. So that's one stripe, and that's builded. That's builded. Pretty. Certainly not a spring color, because I think spring is going to be heading more towards nudes to go with the pastels and the greenery, which I'm so glad. I mean, Comfort Zone palette. Hello! Greenery trend. Hello! Anyway, so that is NYX Butter Lipstick in Ripe Berry. Sheer built up. So, 2 face masks, nail polish, a copper bronzy skin illuminator, blush brush, and a NYX Butter Lipstick, Ripe Berry. Yay! And let's not forget the SU inspired, I'm gonna say it's SU inspired bag. So that's the long and the short of it. Long and the short of it also, my hair is 8 inches shorter today. Yay! And it will be colored shortly, next day or two, when I have time. I'm fitting this video in amidst a Chinese menu type schedule of meetings. So yay me. Meetings are good. Be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day. And ciao for now.